Found me a high point, top of a hill, between two creeks coming down to the lake. And look at that. That is just amazing. Just simply amazing. I'm loving it right here. Big old waterfall over there. I didn't see that from the other part. And supposedly there's a trail on both sides that go to the actual glacier itself. But we're gonna save that for another trip, another time, another day, because it's mid-November and very cold. That's cool though. That peninsula is awesome. And it looks like there's some more waterfalls way down there. Very cool.